Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you a brief overview of the Chunklock Datapack and how to download and install it on your server. Chunklock offers a new and challenging gameplay twist by locking every chunk in the world except for the one you start in. To begin unlocking new chunks, you must pay a cost in items, with the required items being determined by the biome of the chunk. This concept completely transforms Minecraft into an exploration-driven adventure that encourages you to explore diverse biomes and strategically gather resources. Some commands you can use include /trigger chunk difficulty to change the difficulty of Chunklock. However, you can only run this command in a fresh world with no chunks unlocked. You can also use /trigger chunk spread players to spread players around the world in teams. This will also set the players' spawns where they are teleported to. /trigger chunk show unlock title will show a title message when new chunks are unlocked. And /trigger chunk reroll allows you to reroll a chunk for free. You must be close to and facing the chunk you'd like to reroll. First, you're going to need to go to the Datapack's website. You can find the link in the description below. Go to the versions section from the menu at the top. Make sure the Datapack is compatible with the version your server is on. Go to the Datapack version you want, then click the green download button to the left. This will instantly download the Datapack. We recommend dragging the file to your desktop so it's easier to find. Head on over to the control panel of your VPS server, then go to Create Service. Make sure the service selected is Minecraft Java Edition, and make sure the Minecraft version is compatible with the Datapack. Then click Install on the bottom to create your server. Next, head over to your Files section and open the Datapack's folder within your world file. Now you want to drag and drop the Datapack file into this folder. Then you can restart your server and wait till it's online to see if the Datapack has installed correctly. After doing so, head over to the Console tab to make sure your Datapack is installed. You can see it's installed when it says Done near the bottom. Make sure there aren't any errors relating to the Datapack. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!